Based on a philosophy of how can we help, Monroe started by providing precision machine components to support mass production by Ford Motor Company. From that humble machine shop, Monroe has grown to manufacture, stock, and distribute precision components used in every industry and the everyday life of people around the globe. We offer standard and made-to-print hardware, rubber products, cable assemblies, wire harnesses, as well as build-to-print precision machine components and welded assemblies. We pick up the phone and then we listen. We take pride in qualifying your needs and getting them in the hands of an expert working for you. Beginning with the manufacture of continuous hinge in the 1990s, Monroe has now grown to be a powerhouse in build-to-print custom manufacturing made here in the USA. We have state-of-the-art CNC machining centers, along with general-purpose machining tools, grinding equipment, inspection equipment, additive manufacturing, and much more right here in the United States of America. We are also fortunate to have partnered with factories overseas. Not only does this help with cost, but we have developed a good relationship with them, which gives us top priority when we place an order, allowing us to have faster turnaround for you, our customer. This, and a combination of expert machinists and vast experience, gives us the quality and capabilities that are required to make us your partner. We will fit your work to the system and the manufacturing solution that is best suited to the lowest cost. Monroe operates all of our facilities to the quality standard AS 9100D. That is the highest level of aerospace quality certification. That means your part will get the kind of attention and quality system it needs to meet the customer expectations. Need us to build to print an existing or new part? Based on a few questions, we can fit your component to the best manufacturing process or identify the nearest standard item. We help small vendors grow. We help big customers do big things. Monroe has made many dynamic acquisitions in a large number of industries. How can we help is the best approach to human resources, team building, and business growth. Along the way, Monroe has become a valuable partner to the American warfighter. The Monroe manufacturing team has produced critical defense components for hot programs like mine-resistant ambush-protected vehicles, and we are going to Mars with parts on the Moxie oxygen-generating system for the Mars lander. Every Humvee operates with key Monroe components. Monroe today manufactures and distributes thousands of components used in commercial, defense, and aerospace products. The average Monroe product specialist has 10 years of experience, and on the manufacturing side, we have the benefit of thousands of years of practical experience in real-world challenges met by real-world people. Each of our 23 fulfillment centers nationwide offers and stocks over 5,000 individual part numbers of every type of industrial hardware, including rubber products, cable assemblies, fasteners, hardware, and metal fabrication. In addition to all those products, they can manage inventory in your building as vendor-managed inventory, or let you, the customer, manage the inventory from our warehouse. We offer complete support, usually within 100 miles of your door. Those 23 regional fulfillment centers enable us to manage your vendor inventory or customer-managed inventory on a regular basis and provide the financial strength to carry inventory and supply on-demand product. Contact Monroe today for your build-to-print manufacturing needs. All we need to know is how can we help?